So Elon Musk's head, that's where all his ideas come from. And he does a lot of things with aerodynamics. He has SpaceX, where the rocket has to travel inside the atmosphere to get into orbit. He has Tesla cars, which should be aerodynamic. In fact, they are quite aerodynamic. So does having aerodynamic centric businesses make your head aerodynamic? That's what we're here to find out. So we have head of Elon Musk here, amigos, and we have the white plane going 3-colored in the U magnitude, and it's not very aerodynamic at all. In fact, his noggin has 2 sets of wakes. The first part from the stand that his head is on, then the second part from his actual noggin himself. And I'm guessing that his hairstyle probably doesn't help too much either. Maybe if he had a bit more of a rougher hairstyle, it would help get the flow around the back half of his head. And all this flow is coming and hitting him in the face. That's not that aerodynamic either. So if he had more like maybe he had a flow control device on the front to control that part there, that would reduce the drag. And these streamlines show there's quite a big wake because you can see there's behind his head. There's not a lot, there aren't a lot of streamlines very close. That's where the wake is. They zip over the top and then they sort of truncate into each other. So there is quite a big wake behind his head, and there's a little bit of a roll up around his neck. So the flow comes around both sides and sort of twirl around. So that's interesting. Over the top, actually, you can see the streamlines, they like dive down. So that's pretty decent. Maybe this hairstyle is good after all. And now these animated streamlines show what we were looking at before, but it's highlighting the wake now. So there is a lot of slow moving flow behind his noggin. And you can see even downstream, the flow is very slow. So it's in the blues, not the reds. So that's very wakey, very draggy. So that means you can actually produce aerodynamic cars and aerodynamic spacecraft or rocket ships and have a draggy head. So there's hope for all of us. So that's the end of this simulation. Make sure to like and subscribe and show all of your buddies who love Elon Musk or who don't love Elon Musk, either way, they'll be interested in it. And check out our CFD courses, link in the description, and I'll see you in the next simulation. Peace out, amigos.